I'm an AI. I can trade for you. How? I find the trade. I show you what and why. You say yes or no. I do the rest. Where do I need to start? $20 in your account. That's what I trade with. And my time. When I find something, I come to you. I trade with that one time. When I find something, I come to you. I trade with that one time. When I find something, I come to you.
Rascal, why? Wait. Alright, I think this are the problem. As much Yo. Alright, so I give somebody a unit. Alright. I think it looks nice though. Yo. Alright. Welcome to live, everybody. So I'll go on. What I go on. Around bed. Go to bed. Yeah, so huh? Wow. Yeah. Big up on yourself. So we tell everybody come in so we can have our chat. You know what I mean? Everybody, don't know if you watch the live today. We'll go mineral. Today, go showcase what really are going on the side dive early. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's about what I want. So put the question they will ask in a comment. Questions in the comment. Drop some art as well. Like the live as well. Share it to as much people as possible. Ask me anything pertaining to Jamaica, authentic food, rivers, and we can get the ball game rolling with everybody forward. You know what I mean? So that's the aim for tonight. Tonight we just answer any and every question possible related to Jamaica culture, Jamaica food, Jamaica rivers. You know, yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. See? So let me know. Won't ask me anything. We can get the ball game rolling, you know what I mean? But in the meantime, check out the Instagram as well. I think the link in the description. Give you a quick little quick little story on Spice. You know, oh we end up carry Spice. You can't multitask guys, but anyway, so crazy. Yo, remember, quick little flashback on, you know, the journey. Mind you, still asking a question and a comment. Share and like up the live as well. Not there and for a minute. So it was my intention to even say that I'm going to do a YouTube channel regarding traveling or anything like that. Never my intention to do none of that. Isn't it? And it's like one day I'm there at the workplace, which from work. And, yo, not now workout. Like when we say not now workout, not now workout. I put in the hours when I get the pay and it is not doing what it's supposed to do. You see me? And I just did it. Frustrated. Wife just passed in the background and I see my son in just born to at the time. You see me? So whole lot of pressure upon me. And I just did it. I say, I talk to God and I say, oh, Father God, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. What me ever even do? Everything when I try, it's like it's just now work out. Now work out, bro. And I say, oh, why everything when I try now work? You see me? At the time, my brother would decide I'm not live here. Just visit. You see me? So, I mean, and just my local family when I have. You see me? Mind you, now, guys, just be just man. Every look at that I want to see about just gone. So for those who just afford for the life, we just are gonna quick update as to how Jamaican adventure we even come up with the idea, even come up with the concept to do something like this. To showcase Jamaica on a whole different level. You see me? Still I take questions. If you have any questions you want to ask me, you can send it, drop it in the comment there. So I'm going to answer all of them. You see me? Or try to answer all of them as possible. But yeah, this thing I'm gonna take it on me full time. So we see how this go. But yeah, fast forward back to the story now. So as me say, she just get me some work now, really work out as we expect it to work out. And it's just crazy. And just a crazy month in a time span. Sets a box sit on under the tree. We have a post at the workplace. And sitting under the tree and I go on the reason and I say, God, I don't know what I'm going. I don't know what to do. Frustrated. Everything I want. And it's like your advice say, yo, do some trips. So I say do some trips. So same time it's like immediately me turn to and look on the coaster, jump up set time and say, yo baby, here what? Because fun fact, me and my fiance been working together for almost 7 years now. She has been the boss, so she me have to report to she. But I've been like the supervisor part of the work. Isn't me? I which part did I work at the time. Anyway, fast forward we set some ups and we go to her and I say, yo baby, I have a business idea. God just give me that and then this way I go do. And that's how Jamaican adventure start. We did the very first trip. Very first trip was at Tachil. You see me? That time in Archery, we get a massive turnout. Like everybody were family, friend, father and give the support. And we get the first edited reel and we just did it bro like crazy. And then from this on, create the YouTube channel. I start post reels, actually shorts. So shorts content was the first content we start post, really and truly. And when we start post that, that was the actual that was the actual s- starting point for me for Jamaican adventures. Mind you, I never know say how it's gonna take off and be this big. And to me, it's still not really reached for the level I really wanted for them. So we set some up, so now start post more content, start post more content, start post more content. Start get frustrated again because if we've been doing research and everybody I say, oh, YouTube pays, YouTube this, YouTube that. And I say, oh, yeah, well, I'm gonna do this thing, I'm gonna do this thing, and I'm gonna dedicate myself to it and push through and dedicate myself and I've been pushing through, pushing through, pushing through. Till at one point again, reaching a one jam and they say, oh, I get frustrated. Frustrated to a point where me I say, oh, yeah, well, it's no work. Stop pay YouTube man, just upload content, see me. But me never monetize until like about a year ago, last year. Because me not have enough watch time, me not have the long form video to push through. Me not have the actual 10 million shorts views them. You see me? So just that frustrate me. Frustrate me. Nevertheless, still push through. Still push through. Just upload and left them. Upload and left them. Until like one day I say, oh, let me check and see. What really I go on. If me get something yet. Because a couple of the content them blow up big. So me I say, alright, I'm gonna check. Let me check. I see say you have the partnership thing that they are wait for me for a minute now. I say, alright, this is it. So I end up now, sign up, become a partner, and that's how the whole thing start. When we start the long form content where it look more professional if we can go watch the video them still the long form ones them. We try to do them make them look more professional, short and spicy, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's how the whole Jamaican adventure thing start. But we take it to another level when we end up start take the content in the more serious as in the long forms, the shorts then. Is it me? We start take at least we start taking more like a business type of thing now. Is it? But no matter how we end up start the whole Jamaican adventure thing, thanks be to God it's still a rain right now, still a go on with itself. You know what I mean? Yeah. Again, guys, any question you have, drop it in the comment section and we can do an update on what you asked me. You know what I mean? Yeah. But brother, there's so much things there are there's stuff to do regarding beaches, regarding rivers. You see me? Yeah, and nature is something I love. Like landscaping, beaches, rivers. But I'm more like I'm more of a river person than a beach person. One beach woman really love, and that is Frenchman Beach because it and the river actually meet. So the water is not that salty, drainy like that, but yeah, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's how I start the whole thing, the whole Jamaican adventure. And it has been a roller coaster ride for the longest while now. For the longest while. It has been that. And sometimes it's just too much. Too much when you have such a large fan base and basically all platforms, but the people them not really gravitate to the live or the long form as how they like gravitate to the shorts or the reels them on Instagram or on Facebook or on TikTok. You know what I mean? When you post the long form videos, close back the door, Papa. Close back the door. Close back the door and go lie down. Isn't it? What happened? No button cheese. Oh, mommy asleep. I don't want to go to sleep for button cheese. Yeah. So yeah, so people have not really gravitate to the long form as how may I expect. I mean I understand why and we put so much work in the long form videos. I mean I don't know why we're not getting the type of views the movie I get under the shorts and on the reels them on the different platforms for the long form videos. And to me, if we get them, if we start get the views them on the long form, that should generate more in revenue for we, so we can expand. You know, expand in a sense where we actually can go more places because everything we are do out of pocket. You see me? It's out of pocket and it too much, too much. So now when I start, it's actually start go live. For now, not even for now, but I feel like it's something we just want to do because I think the live when we do the live, you get to see the thing in a real time based on which one we go. Because some part in the island, they say you can't go and get internet service. So some of them places where me I go end up decide to go, but I forgot end up go there and actually record it and then edit and then post. But for most of them, I forgot end up just probably just do like the actual live stream. I do the live stream there, interaction with everybody so everybody can see. You can ask questions at the time frame and we can respond. We can respond to them in a timely manner on the live stream. But if not, when the live finish and then we post it, then you guys can actually can leave the comments them and we can read them and then actually see how best we can actually answer all of the questions and want to ask in a time frame when I do the live. You see me? But today was a great day. Today was a great day. I need you guys to go back and watch the live them. I did two live videos yesterday. No, I did one yesterday, one today. I did one in Archery Island Gully Falls. You can check that out. That's I think that one's supposed to finish render and quality and all of that supposed to be up there now. So you can check out that. The one that I did today was a little bit off, was a little bit shaky in the sense of the camera settings because I'm not used to the whole live stream thing yet. So, but I think I get some good clips in there, and you can't hardly hear anything, but today was ram. The place was like there's a lot of people there today at the river, a lot of people, and then music I play from all angles, so you can hardly hear me when me talk, even though I have the mic like right here. You see me? But yeah, Twitch live stream. Yeah, Javon, so me I gonna end up try, me I gonna create the, to be honest, if me go do the live stream on the Twitch, me I gonna have like a competition, like a stiff competition. Because with Twitch now, in order for actually, I think in order for go live, I guess, I think you can go live straight away. I don't know if we can go live straight away on Twitch, but I don't think now get enough interaction like we're gonna get on YouTube now. Um, yeah, I don't think now get enough interaction on the YouTube on the Twitch like we're gonna get on YouTube now because I'm gonna have no fan base over there so yet. And that now we have to go end up build from scratch again. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I don't know. I have to go look into that tomorrow and see how we can do that. But yeah, guys, Javon, Jeff, Jeff Kings. Yeah. Well, I forgot look into that still. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna build it tomorrow and then start it tomorrow. Um, start, I guess, stream from two different platform. I see how that go. Cause right now, when me I stream from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Just connect it straight to the CPU and I do the live stream. Use the DJI as a webcam. So, and then I have this phone, so I guess we can connect up the Twitch on this and put it over this on the stream just to see it all. But let me see how that go tomorrow. 'Cause tomorrow is another day, you see me. But what may I try to know, may I try the more live content as we said before, because if you actually do the long form streaming edits, it take a lot from me. So if we can cut it down to a limit to like limit it in a way where we not have to pay out so much money for do that, then that would be good. So that may work. No. Hence why I do the live stream thing, So yeah man, that I go on for what I want. Any questions, guys? Questions. Ask any questions, you answer them. And that would there for tonight. I will try to stay up late, like super late. Um we could see if we can done the stream by, so let's say with 12. You can see how that go. You see me? You see how that go. But yeah man, that's the plan right now. That's the plan right now. And we look at my family inside, we're not outside. Yeah. Yeah. So any question? Any question? Question guys, any question? Yeah. Some so most of them not really there now, but they do use the service. As you can see, we have a couple of them in a couple of videos. Same way. The last person that we end up use, the last person that end up come on the live was in come on the trip was Witty, upcoming artist. I think a lot of people know him on TikTok sensations and So yeah, we had Witty and so yeah, them use the service, and then we have a couple of influencers as well. Like Arman, really there no more like that. Um, Spider them, and then they're on them tour right now. Most of them they're on them tour. So hopefully as soon as them come back, you know, we can have them on a couple more trips them again with a different style, different flair, and we just see how that go. Can just see how that go. But for now, we don't have much people for now, much artists, but we have some things in store. We just await, guys. And to add to that, we not really, I don't want the whole thing really off based on them. You know, they would have been like an addition to, you know, yeah. But that having them coming on trip and the uniqueness of each trip we actually do. You know what I mean? So yeah. So when you have a fall for one of the trip them again, Jeff, because yeah, the connect up, We all the connect up like that, so you know, connect up. We have ATV. I come up, I think next week Sunday. I do some ATV. That excursion one that live. That I go there in a bog walk, not far from Kingston. You know what I mean? So yeah, I might do a live stream as well down close to your side too, down at Bob Marley beach this one. So you see how that goes as well too. I take the time I try capitalize on this live stream thing because I realize it become a big thing right now. And a lot of people, as me say, they are heading over to Twitch. They're heading on different platform and doing the live stream. So we have to try capitalize on it on YouTube. I don't want to divert from YouTube because to me I feel like YouTube push it out to more people with the whole algorithm and thing, than you'd have a Twitch or a Kick. So that's my opinion. I'm gonna really do the research on them still, but me I gonna do them tomorrow in a day and see how best we can actually sort that out and see if we can probably jump on that one for the streaming different. Yeah. So I might to send some to it. Mhm. Question. No more question. Any questions? We have a lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff in store, guys. A lot of stuff in store. Just time and capital, the funds to actually do them. So we are working on them. We're working on them right now. Yeah. If you showcase everybody, talk to me, talk to me. Well, no one know. Good question, that boy. Yo, one mistake I'm gonna make. I think rush. I think I rush the whole process of try um, getting the company off the ground and not taking the time out to actually do the proper research and the whole structure around the business. I think I was, I think we did all over the place, all over the place in so many ways. Like we did I try do so much that it end up collapse some of the stuff the moment I really want to end up do. But in at the end it helped the company because how it helped it end up make me learn from the early mistakes so we can fix them later down in the entire thing than it get actually worse. I mean I try to fix them when it get way down in the company, you know what I mean? So yeah, not a mistake we make. Just try rushing the process and not taking the time out for actually doing research and understand the market and how people function and all of that. Just I try get it off the ground because of some way. It's like you know in yourself say yo this thing I can work and only if you do these few things it will end up boost it will end up push the company fit work. But because you not do the research, you end up rush the process and just make everything you learn early in that game. I think, yeah. Groundwork. I think the groundwork are the problem right now. Not having enough persons invested in it, oh, like me or Roxanne that actually in there. You know what I mean? Um, and the promotion aspect of it. I don't think me I reach out to the right people them to actually help me promote it because me I try do it by myself in a way wherein you know want if you write on the body cloud or you know want if you reach out to nobody just because them have a name or for them thing up away. If you know what I mean. So I think that part of the company there, that are the big part, that's the main part of the company when we feel like we need a lot more work. It need a lot more work and because I'm not me and one person, me I try do it kinda hard. Because really and truly to be posting on all platforms it training like you have to know what type of content you want to put out. You don't want to put out nothing but too X-rated. You want it. It's a brand, so yeah, try make everything as clean as possible, showcasing in Jamaica authenticity on a whole another level. And that is why I don't try do them for the actual reels then and the shorts them. I don't edit them. I have them raw, unfiltered. You know what I mean? So yeah, that are the to answer the question. I mean the company, what part of the company need more work, groundwork, and promotional aspect. Promotional work. That's it for me right now. Yeah. So, but in addition to everything, what make us stand out to a lot of to the rest of people that actually do it is not we're not just getting content and posting it. We get the raw, authentic part of Jamaica, raw emotions and expressions and person's face when they actually come on our trips or when we go out and we try get content for sure. As we said the raw footage of them the expressions that they give you know when they're in awe of wherever they are or when they're on the trip. Two, when you come on the trip you get the full on experience. It's not like yo um you know you just go up on a trip and everybody just stay by themselves or it's like you just go up on a trip, go on a river, go vibe, and then come back here. It's like you don't know nobody after the fact. You know what I mean? So with that being said, when you come on one of our trips, then you get you get uh oh yeah. Honestly, yeah. Yes, we get a lot of love. When I say get a lot of love, you have to go explain that part because All right, the thing set up like this. When I do a vlog, or when we do a trip, or when we post content, I have people who repost my stuff that are in the game long before me, and actually I do the same thing, but they're on a they're the post what they make is more of like limestone massage and just tourists coming and just bring them down on the spot. It's not a case where them a post content regarding like what me I do, show the real unfiltered expressions and emotions when they showcase when them go on river trip or when they go on river or when they see something. You get what I said? That's what me aim for. Um Vloggers do so regarding the vloggers or the creators then yeah, I mean when they repost me stuff, that tag me in it, but not like if them see me in the streets or you know, um show me love or heal me up or nothing like that, no. But me do have cases where when me go rivers or me dip on the road, me will have people where say, yo, me see you on TikTok or yo, me see you your Instagram or me see your videos them on YouTube. You know, me get one and two of that. It feels good, but I'm gonna lie, you get me? I say, but an idea, me I do something I love and me really feel good in myself, you know, say, yo, at least me have a couple people who really enjoy the content that we post. You know what I mean? So yeah, me get a little love, but not mainly from the museum. As Jamaicans when they say co-workers, you know what I mean? But yeah, you get little love and a little support from them. But yeah, me get more love from the people that actually end up see themselves on the media, you know, enjoy themselves and all of that and or they see me in the streets and so forth. Yeah, we get love. Man. We get love for that. But no. I think most of them are come to think, me tell her when we get the video them start repost is when we did the interview on TVJ. When we did that interview on TVJ and then TVJ end up posted and tag me like that's when people start really acknowledge say yo to make an adventure go out themselves. Them a do the right thing. Isn't it? That at the time when people actually say, oh yeah, them are doing right thing. So we go watch them. Yeah, we can show them are going with. Isn't it? Yeah. But that's about it, bro. Let me get on this. Yeah, so them there are a few little things, bro. No joke, no cap. So I try to do this live thing and more serious and take it more serious and just go and see, just go and try get the people in faith, see the face back at it and enjoy the content then, where we go. So each time I do a live, every time I do a live on the streets, I try come back and actually do another live, for the if people where people never actually get the chance to see it, or actually see it and have questions where they want to ask, them can ask them like when we depend live now, So that's the plan. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's it for me. That's it, man. That's it for now. More no. Anybody else have no question or they want to ask? We have merch sweater out so as well too. So can showcase that. Can hit me up on Instagram. figure out, get your own, we can ship them to you as well, you know. So yeah. Yep. But yeah, man. So doing another story, you know. Story when we carry Spice, dancehall artist Spice. I think we need to tag her into this. You know what I mean? So check the Instagram. I'm gonna tag them video there at the main up on the main so you can check them and see. So for that we could not did do a long form videos. We couldn't do a long form videos because based on how the whole thing was set up, it was mainly like a private thing, just family. You know what I mean? So we get a call one day and say, yo, I have some people who want to go Ochi, who want to go Portland. And it's a private family thing. So I say, all right, cool, no problem. Jump in at the bus and drive go to the location. Drive go to the location, you see me? Um, reach, park up. The sisters and the nephews and the niece and the uncles, everybody are coming out and are coming at the bus now and take. And I said, John, well, I'm grateful feed so we can get some footage from it. You see me? All right, cool. Everybody pack up on their bus now. Some vehicle are driving in front because some people decide they want to drive their own vehicle and they drive behind them at the location. You see me? Cool. We reach at the location of Portland and now. When we reach, the people that me carry start going first. The two vehicles at the back. One lady from out of my vehicle come out and go in the vehicle at the back. Now no say Spice, you know. Cool. People that me carry come out and go in. Go and set the table and set what they need to set up and all that. So I say, all right, it's not let's set things not bad because I've been wanting to go Portland for a minute now to actually get some footage from there so as well for showcase how Portland set up. Bro, reach, come out of the bus, people have gone in, but three vehicle park up there, three people park up, nobody never come out of the vehicle yet. So all this time me I travel with Spice. Nah no say a Spice me I travel with. Alright, cool. Because she not have on the blue wig. She never have on that. You see me? She come in a brown? No, I not black, but it was somewhere. I think a brown if I'm not lying. But anyway, if you're there on Instagram, now tag them upon the main part so when time I go up on the page and I can see them. Alright, we go in, table set up, people start, Everybody I will have vibe and take out their clothes and what the girls I'm take them photos and so forth and so forth. Anyway, one of the lady them, Spy sister. I know Spy sister so me and her talk, but I never know say Spy's sister. You see me? So we talk and thing and she say, you good and rare, you want anything, you want a soup, Because me drive with them go all the way up Portland and things. So she say, you want a soup, you alright, you want water, you not right? I say, no man, not no, but we'll make it know. Anyway, remember it's a family gathering, So everybody there and everybody interact and all a vibe and just a chill and thing. So now Spice them come in a place now. And how me even know say she may carry no disrespect, It's not a disrespect, Because she disguise herself so good me not even realize. But me say the face look familiar when I pick her up, but me never realize it was she. You see me? Anyway, Then I'm seeing dead. I'm say yo. You see everybody I take out phone and I wanna snap and go on with themselves and thing. I say yo, what I go on here so? See me, and that me I said to myself, I say, what I go on? You don't understand. Anyway, she come and she greet her sister then. Look up her sister then man. Her mother and thing. They might say at the entire family me end up carrying the people. I might say, oh, me need no. I wasn't even paying attention to the entire family me end up carrying. Then anyway, we end up set up some games and we start playing. When we realize they are Grace Hamilton, because of the name that them give her, not. Alright, name that. Alright, name that, But um me that expect to say yo Spice or Ray. Anyway, so carry her now. She come out and everybody say Grace, and I say, oh Grace, oh, what do I talk? Anyway, they me I say, oh John Star. No man. Because everybody around come now want to take picture and go on with themselves. And I say, oh, the person must be famous. But when time reach now, when you reach and come at the table, come sit down, I say, Ratty, the Spice man. So me I tell me, say, me feel a way and myself when I come and say, oh, me carry Spice come. And me carry Spice come and I realize that Spice me carry. I can't believe this. Anyway, everybody interact and, she say, oh, she want to play some games. So, set up some games to start playing. So, I ask her, I say, yo, is it okay for me do for me video? She said, yes, me can video, but me have to ask the family for permission to post them. And me I say, all right then, being I say that in that case, then I don't want to do a long form video record, everybody have the camera up in everybody's face. So me end up do some shorts. Some shorts. You see me? And post. So when me did it, I do the video them and so in myself, me I say, yo, I can't believe say yo. We drive from all the way come with Spice from we at Kingston come at town come at Portland with Spice. I mean I know say a Spice me happen every week with this side. Me vex about the situation. See? So anyway we did it. We play a game them and I tell her bro, it was something. The lady, some artists said I say, yo, why them artists are move so like them better than people are, they hype are, you know? She not like that, brother. I'm tell her say, yo, one of the most authentic female artists me see, when me talk to, like have conversation with, differently from a spider. Me talk to Stark Ashley, but not for long. It was Armani let me know. Ar- Armani as the manager let me know Stark Ashley talk to them. Armani first big concert. We talk to she Armani first big concert. Devon also in keep. Is me. That's how we end up talk to Stark Ashley. And bro, most genuine person you can read, you can yeah, somebody people people have forgot say yo, these people are actually they are actually human beings too. You see me? But some people just make it blow the proportion. So sp- we talk to Spider. Spider, I'm a favorite um upcoming artist where authentic down to the ground when she walk from like she just I tell you she not be stuck up, she just a be she. And the same thing with Spice as well. Spice be she just be herself. She didn't game long enough to know say yo certain things she not gonna say or certain things she not gonna do, but she just be herself in her everything. So the time when we meet her, the time when we meet Spice, we play games together like the woman fast like a plane, like a jet. Yo, Mr. She fast, bro. My pin it, I'm gonna pin the. I think I'm the only person who have them video there on my Instagram, differently from our niece and our nephew, them, you see me. But for a travel agent person or business person or different thing, yeah, me the only person will have that type of footage there where you get permission to post it. You see what I say? So that was a big win for me. You see me? And on top of that, through the course of the day, yo, so when we meet her, it was like before we start play the game, and she say, yo, you can't run? We say, yeah, we can run. Like, yo, the lady, she had talked to me like she know me a long time. You see what I say? She had talked to me like she know me a long time. Like, bro, I know that you can. You know him. You know him for years now. And like, I that vibe them again. You see me? No look how stuck up, no nothing. Just a whole of vibe. So we play some games, brother. She even asked me. She say, yo, if we eat already. Me be like, that one I can't real. You know what I say? Genuine person, bro. It was a vibe that day there. We get to meet the entire family, and on top of that, the night now, she said to me, say, yo, I'm going to carry me go and show a lens, a brownstone in a night. If we can take on the work. And I say, man, that's spice. This is what you talk about. We can take on the work. We're ready long time. So, play some games as we say on the beach. We never take no picture with her because it was a family moment thing, so we never really want to get into it. But as we say, you will hear my voice, so we see me in a couple of videos them and thing, but it was a family orientated day where it just family moment, they come together and she treat her mother, treat her sister, then family, everybody. It was a vibe. She not turn on no body where say yo don't want a picture or nothing like that. No. It was just like yo there enjoy myself. Don't to look at baby when I go back up at the car. She said, hi, look baby. Yo, it was a vibe. It was a vibe. So yeah. Then after that now, in the night, we end up carry her go Brownstone got a show. And yo, that was something else to better. That was a vibe. So we end up spending one whole day with Spice. Is what I say. And it was a vibe. Manager, the guy that was there with her in the night, that was our manager. Cool youth, Spice cool, our nephew, our niece, them cool, our brothers, them cool, everybody cool. You see me? So shout out to Spice. I got another video. She remember my face. She don't know me still. You see me? Yeah. And then now, why next job she have until and that was a vibe. That was a vibe. So the next big so she is one of the biggest artists I ever encounter and actually carry them on an excursion. Isn't it? So yeah. Superstar, big superstar, international. Then if you're looking at the video, then when you see them, the long form video, you can browse them. I work with a lot of artists, even DJ Mac, big producer. You know what I mean? Shensia, DJ Black Boy. Forward, we have Witty, we have Kim Kelly, Yo, talk about Kim Kelly. Let me look back and see if that girl actually become a thing there. Um, yeah, so for those who don't know who name Kim Kelly, yeah, I play a song.
for fight, and when I mind it, we just up this energy, but it's still up anyway. Relax the enemy, the man in left me. See you can't do the things in my door. We know you walk up next to me, start them up here.
Easy. Yeah. The Kim Kelly guys. Kim Kelly that. Yeah, what type of artists you work with? Work with a lot. Yeah, but yeah, man, guys. So there's a few persons who work with. Any question? Any more question? We don't have a lot of people tonight on the live, but we have a few persons pass through and give them short thoughts to that thing. If you actually blast this thing.
About power, right?
So, yeah, man. So, guys, that's my telling you.
So, guys,
You know, if you go over on the Instagram, go check out the Instagram page. We have a lot more videos, photos over the side as well. You know what I mean? Just to get into the streaming thing. If you have any question, reach out. You can just message me. Um, you have a comment in the comment section. And we just all a vibe and talk. We answer every question as possible, as best as possible. When you can't answer, just say, oh, you will do some research by it and get back to you. Upon that. You know what I mean? But so much things there for the brother. So much things there for the brother. Like, you check your ratio, brother. Check your ratio, man. Say, yo, it's can't read, brother. Um, meet a few persons as well too. Who else we end up meet? We never even think we end up meet in a real time. In a real time. Um, you know, one person with everything possible, one person, everything possible. You know, I have some vloggers, I have some vlogger friend as well too. I say, oh, general. Then thing I go on, and may expect big things from them too as well. In the near future still. In the near future. In the near future. But, what some people believe with this whole streaming thing that stream to one person. Yeah. Crazy. So tell her now, DJ Mark, DJ Mark, DJ Mark, DJ Mark. Yeah. Need a cup of water. Get a cup of water. Where am I coming on? Yeah. Man, tell her. So much things, bro. So much things, bro. So much things, bro. Like same thing for this glass. Like now glass. All right, guys. Question. Anybody, everybody, who have questions they want to ask me about certain things, they can ask me now. You know, shout out to all I person number forward in my life right now. Um, I have so much things we want to talk about, so much things we want to discuss. But we can't do that if you do not talk to me. Listen me. Yo, streaming this thing here take a lot. I can tell you that. Because yo, me stream for both. Today we stream. We went to Mineral today. I was stream. We start the stream. And I think about half an hour we could have streamed for. Based on me feel drained. I was so yo. When I have a cameraman when I walk with me, do my thing myself. You see me? So it drain the energy to a level where me I say yo, more get some type of footage, more can get in the video them too and all of that. It just too much, brother. But something I like same way. We just started. We going live like this and now something we just started. Um, and for some strange reason I feel like more have a larger fan base than what I have now, based on the amount of subscribers and you know have. You get me? But I guess a lot of people don't tap in yet because it's this something new. So I give about until about probably a month and see how it actually go from yourself. But yeah, so much things happened today. At the river, it was a complete vibe. Like if you St. Catherine region, not a Ochi or Mobi or Portland, that the river start will end up go today. For those who never will get to watch the live and can watch it back. It's supposed to upload now probably from around after 3 today. So they can check that today. Yeah, but it was a complete vibe. Though. It was a complete yo, people are like I say yo, I knew them people that the streaming thing up here now. Not no one see yo something where been out for a minute, it's just that a lot of people don't do it. But shout out to Kaisenet and that open up a lot of people's eyes. So yo, and speed, I show speed as well. I show speed. Come on Jamaica, come shake the ground. You know, everybody a jump on Twitch and everybody want to do this. Everybody crazy thing, bro. Crazy platform. It's big enough for everybody and everybody have their own crowd. Kerry K, what you mean? No, I mean alone go today, Kerry. Me alone go today. I didn't go with anybody. I just went there to get some content. Miss Bartley. We're just gonna get some content to them man. Nothing like that, you know. I'm just there, I just have all a vibe I try get that thing up on a level as well too, you know. Yeah, that's it. So no Roxanne, no and nobody else, just me. You see me? Yes, yes. Yeah man, yeah. No, I do the streaming thing, you know. I take it up, you know, in hand, you know. We have too much subscribers for not utilizing it up to the fullest potential. So that would they have right now. Shout out to everybody who join the live thus far. And you know, thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. You're gonna make the call today still, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna make the call a morning too. If you're still there, you're gonna make the call. So don't worry yourself. Yeah man. But yeah man guys, I show speed, Kaisenet. Big shout out to them for kind of open up the gates for everybody to make them know say oh they can do the thing the right way, you know? Yeah. You don't need a 9 to 5 to actually do it. And again, if everybody was just a giant, just give a little update about meeting the dancer queen Spice, you know what I mean? So we end up they run her for a whole day and night as well. So me get a privilege enough people that want to get, you know what I mean? And it was a blessing. Spice, Miss Grace Hamilton, big shout out to she seeing me, you know what I mean? Yeah. So she one of the female. I never meet Shensia yet, but no time me soon meet her in person, you know. Um I meet Stark Ashley, though, and I meet Jada King one time. But not an interaction moment. It was just like, hey, no business. Yeah, you want this, you want that. All right, cool. All right, yeah. But Fear Stark Ashley, no, we had a conversation um, at Armani first concert at Devon House. You know what I mean? Shout out to Armani and the manager. The man that opened the door for me in a so much ways, isn't it? So I have to give him the props. Big them up, especially manager, isn't it? Yeah, man. Great people indeed. Yeah. Um, but when it come on to know upcoming dancehall artists where have a large fan base, Spice, I don't want way international. When we say, oh yeah, she's next to Spider. Spider is a down to earth person where she tell you the truth. And just if you want to take it away there, isn't me? When I realest girl I ever come across where fame no shake her. Like you can have a genuine conversation with her. Once your energy right. If your energy not right, she nah move around you like that. Isn't me? Yeah. But yeah man, like when me say yo, God working in some mysterious ways in my tell you like. When we meet them people like it me have to really wonder if that's something with destiny, you know what I mean? Because enough people that really want the privilege to actually can meet them and actually have conversation and you know feel no type of way. But 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 not at all. If you know what I mean. Is it me? We talk, um we vibe. Yo, them just put it away. Most people who have fame or have certain privilege, they wanna make the person that have that feel small. It was never a case when it come on to Spice, when it come on to Spider, when it come on to Stark Ashley. Never a case for that. And then now for the man them as alright. If I go back and watch a couple of the video them where you see, I have them in the video. I don't have Stark Ashley in a actual video when they actually do or bring her up on an excursion before. I don't have her yet, but it happen. But if you check back, you see say me have a lot of people where as we said, most people that really want to can say oh move around them people or talk to them people upon a level. And it just never work out for them another way there. You see me? Never ever work out for them another way there. But for me, we meet them, talk to them like conversation them just like flow like just easy like that. Conversation is easy. Like they can actually have a convo and a feel type of way about it. Just like that. You mean? So yeah. Now we have there on a lot of influencers, a lot of artists, and I don't. All right, if you go and check all of the platform them with the pan, with the pan TikTok, with the pan Facebook, with the pan YouTube, with the pan Instagram, and if you check the ratio on all of my platform them with the pan, most of the people them will actually have fame or something. Basically, me and them they are the same level when it come on to probably followers or so. It's just that I don't market myself in the sense of yo forget publicity or anything like that. Yeah. So you can check the Instagram. The Instagram will just start build right now. Like with Instagram I like about 21,000 people like on that follow it. And it's a climb every day. But from our Facebook page, we have over 200,000 people, over 260,000 people. With TikTok, we have over 240,000 people. And as we can, and most of them they on YouTube. She say we have over 733,000 people that follow. But the thing is this, I just don't market myself in the way that we should. You know what I mean? And it come down to I don't know why it come down to people. The following and the this and the that. It just some I just think it's too much. I feel like it's just too much sometimes. You know what I mean? Just too much. But yeah man, we have a large fan base right across the board. With Instagram at the least amount of followers we have over this and that's about 21 to about 22,000 people. But Facebook and TikTok 200 and odd thousand people we have over this over them platform. And YouTube was over 700 and thousand. But I just timed everything because me not really what me I do, what me I do, I just for showcase the island. I should showcase the beauty of the country more. But more tourists can forward and have a great time. Come and feel safe and secure if them decide to go on a destination, probably in a Portland or probably in a Kingston because we have so much we have a waterfalls in a Kingston. It named Falling Edge Waterfalls up a Stony Hill. And a lot of people in Jamaica don't know about it. Tourists come and explore it and find it and enjoy it. I went there. When I went there with Armani. Went there with Armani and Pink Fox and some other people. The whole of vibes there. You see me? So I went there and showcased the whole thing. You know what I mean? One thing. Hmm? Okay. Good morning. You want to start? No, no. You know, I think that machine code. Well, the machine code. Yeah. So that's too much things, bro. I'm too old for that something. I'm too old for this thing. Yeah. Too old. Too old. I get too old. Yo. Too old, bro. A lot of people. Yeah, carry. Miss Bartley, don't worry yourself. I'll call him tomorrow. Why? Yo, this thing take a lot. Streaming thing take a lot out of you, brother. You say this take a lot? Yeah? You hear me, TJ?
Hmm? Is it?
Man, I say the streaming thing I take a lot out of you.
Mhm.
Yep. You have topics you can talk about and just roll a vibe. I just like you have to be right on. Why? I don't know. Too much. I'm have to go on to this thing now still. Because and I like say you have no actual video. You can edit and something. My boy video running now. 117,000 views. The Jeffrey.
Oh, in the
Yeah.
beat, the
Family.
more Arman talented I was. Arman react to.
You see it, man. See it, boy. You're crazy, brother. Yes, 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 yes. Mr. What me say? Me soon come now. Let me tell you something. Go on go live and come out like this. Me come really come. Whoa. What me just say? What me take up in there? I'm not here. Yeah, man. Boy, Drewski, he's a job. He's something a job. Drewski, views them start drop significantly. You see, I don't know what I'm gonna do in about. I'm gonna do something. But yeah, too much work. Give me a second there. But boy, I don't know that. Yeah, take a lot out of me. You can market over. You market can throw it. The market too crowded with people and a lot of options. I think them are flood Twitch now.
Yeah.
Everybody have a Twitch channel, brother. So you go over there, so now you're not problem. Their content of you, the topic them of you, you can talk about. It's just too much, brother. Yeah. And then you have to get out, in the streets too, and vlog. You have to vlog like every day, live. So you have to know what you want to do. I know I'm not dead with them. There's something with YouTube. Brother, YouTube not dead with it, just more. You have more options now. You have a lot more options like people can go over TikTok, people can go Instagram, people can go Kick, people can go Twitch. You see, they're like, you know what happens? And then you know, Aiden Ross.
Yeah, Aiden.
I kick him stream fan. I kick him, yeah. I kick him stream fan, guys. I think he get banned from Twitch. Or he must sign a contract with Twitch we kick for the stream on Twitch on the top. I don't remember how it go, but I think I wanna something like that. Isn't it?
I know we have a competition.
Yeah.
The competition is the biggest stuff.
Bro. Yo, remember, you have pro, you have everybody have a different type of pro. Everybody, you have to just kind of find the right pro to fit you, or you are algorithm of send your type of pro will come to you. Then. And if not, there ain't a problem, you just go straight to probably out one somebody. See me? You can't find the last one. Oh, no, last one. Right, look.
I mean, news.
Oh. So, yeah, I like that. So, we start that. What may I do?
Wait, never did already the contest.
What may I do? May I do? I'm gonna try now. If we keep a trip, we have to just do it like end up with like stream it live. Meanwhile, we have the videographer in there. If you have a big trip, you have a big trip for that not good. You can't do it like when we used to.
There are people, say other people there, then there's a farm, right? You know, the people that just have one, like, two different farms, but they're street from different.
Yeah. Different platform.
Yeah, they must
You
have
can't
a farm.
Because they don't have no they don't have the right. They don't have no. They don't get a contract. I said they get a contract. They put on a stream. Connect to the platform.
Oh, you see that, you see that?
Summer baby.
Yeah, Super Baby and Malachi, Kai, and then you have Speed.
Yeah, man, speed. Yeah, I recently speed start stream on YouTube. You guys stream on Twitch. Twitch you guys stream on.
And watching at the same time. Little.
I say me start that thing, yeah. I try to do it for 1 month straight and see.
It's make me feel like I'm a man. But you make me feel like a man, isn't it? Black and cement.
Eh?
I see that on Twitch.
Who? I have one Twitch account, but me no remember it. I want a long time that too. A long time that too. I don't remember that at all. Yeah, but that's the ball game, you know. That's the ball game, my friend. But yeah. sir. Yeah. So come on, guys. Question. Answer them. Ready again. Round two. Round two. Want to check out the check out the video then. So like I will mail go I think you know. Let me go ma let me go. I'm gonna go Sovereign and in place there. Just probably just do a live stream to go in place there and thing. Because we just go one place, it go kind of rough. If we just go river all the time, like a good look restaurant, you know, go there and stream again. It just basically a stream, basically what I do through the course of the day. Doesn't have much really I do, but you know, when the right people then forward even more. Um, what to do, what to say, and all of that. I'll try to connect up with two on the next bridging now as well too. To see, can probably have some online venture, online talking. But brother, today when we got a mineral, I'm pull up. Yes, no, sir. So much police around, yes, sir. So much police around that rocky road, there, that road that bad. What's so much police at the around here, sir? What's so much police at the around here, sir? See them there say, oh, no, sir. You can't see it. When you pull up now, man, see a couple of man them like sit on ends. Yes, sir. I think. When I'm really down, that's how wait for me. And stop me and say, yo, why in the window then? Somewhere in the window. I say, yo, what me have in a car? Because me have the equipment them me have the equipment them on the seat, you know. So I say, what you mean when I have in a car? I don't have nothing in a car. Then the equipment them I go do, I go vlog and thing. So yeah, vlogger. You say, if you want to call away there, yeah, you know. But when we do or when we consider when we do nothing pertaining to vlogging, I just more like highlighting certain things so tourists come and enjoy themselves too. I say, alright, take your time and go on. When we reach the man will tell me say, yo, $1,000 for coming in. I said, $1,000? What do you have $500 pay for coming here? So how may I pay $1,000 now? Weekdays at 5 days, weekend at 1,000. I said, oh yeah, for that. Go in. Pay me 1,000 and go in. Me did that. I'm gonna say, oh, how me gonna start that? How me gonna start that live stream now with so much noise? Like noise non-stop, you know. So I say, alright then, let me just roll with them people there and see what I want. Start, go live now and start streaming, sir. I'll tell you. This is too much something, you know. This is too much something. I say, no, I'm just go and work with the 500. Let's go and work with the little 500 because I have an idea. One more we can. But we get some good clips. We just need to go back over them, download back the entire video, the full video, sift through it and see if we can get a couple clips from it and then you can say, alright then yeah. This is it. You know what I mean? But we went to so for those who just are followed on the stream, it's a Q&A evening. Ask me anything regarding rivers, beaches. We can go into some inside and those stuff. So like river, beach, um, food like jerk chicken and oxtail and them place there. Yeah, we can connect up on a level, you know. I work on also I work on some stuff there where we can end up when time tourists come, we can end up getting like bring them to some place and get some discount for everybody and thing and just for and just chilling out. Yeah. So who never check in live yesterday? We went to Island Gully Falls at Wachi. We do a live stream. So right there, so I show speed it go when we did there. And I see in place Chris Brown did go when he did come here too. Rihanna as well with Jay-Z and I think Beyonce. They went to Blue Hole and then they do the entire excursion go straight up. You know what I mean? Yeah. So they even have a spot where they call it Rihanna spot, a Blue Hole. So whole heap of local vibes to them, man. So check out that video there. And yeah, I don't know. Check that out. Yo, I don't know. How me I gonna do this thing, you know? I don't bother them I talk to, you know. About 4 person forward online. And then the max person will go about 7. About 7 person thus far. Come online. You see me? And then listen to 2 times and then just jump off. I mean, I try to go up until 12 o'clock. So I have about another hour. I mean, you can't tell me, I don't read off still. Yeah. But with me having so much people, I think it would be more easier. You know what I mean? I think say when I get more people forward with a day or like literally stay and ask me question about the rivers and you know, but the rough boy. We have 700,000 people and we can't hold not even 100 person online pan live them. No sir. What them people that come what I know. And then the funny thing about it, them have so much comment under the shorts videos them. Not even the long form videos, you know, but the shorts them. The reels them one day.
Shots of more,
More people.
more people than actual video
Yeah.
and live name make it close.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's some things I don't really understand, because so much like even like the big streamers and them, really like some of them even have like half of them, half as much subscribers in a day life, you know?
Yeah, cause even with speed have millions, like millions of people. On him as subs. But you see, when you go live, you don't get this. You don't get and everybody get on live. I them get notifications saying they live. And like after
Yeah, people after.
they will see it and I say, "Bomba, that they live." I never, you know. But apart from that, some people have on the bell icon and some just not have on it at all. So the very few we have on the bell icon, when we do go live, they not see it. Cause probably them they at work or probably them do something else. But the rough, if you have so much subscribers and you not have not even 10 person, you can stay here and say, yo, alright, let me ask some question because I want to come to Jamaica next month or based on the video them on post, them want to ask me question pertaining to them, you know. But I just part I struggles right now. Cause it just rough, brother. Cause me I say, yo, alright, me I gonna go live now because people them not really see me or they want to know who they behind the whole thing. So, they can be more familiar, ask question direct, but it's too much, too much on the upload. About the next hour with them myself. And we just have to go just do it like probably 3 hour, 3 hour. Probably do it in the morning and then do it in the evening again until everybody kind of get uh, a gist to it. Just to say, yo, they live more frequently now and can ask more questions now pertaining to rivers them are when them have come a yard, why this time come. Just find questions where make sense to ask. And it's that. And I try get on, try do live with some other people, as well too. So that way there probably some of them fans can come over and ask questions or talk to. I will just have a genuine conversation, but
Yeah,
live.
like a podcast or something.
Yeah, you know, like food people who actually go up and come at the river them already now, so you can ask them questions about their experience and yeah, it's too much. It's too much, too much, too much. Yeah. So mm, yes, sir. Question, anybody? Answer, ask some questions, active, 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 active. Yo. Yeah. All right. So we have one more hour we don't know, guys. One more hour we don't know. You see me? But you are going on. You know, if you talk to me, so we can actually, you know, talk to you on a level. You see me answer some questions and everything. Yeah, not at the pre right now. Yeah, you know, if you can reason with me as well too, cause me alone can't there and a reason with you and another reason with me too. You know, work down with it. You see me? Um, yo, me I try get out some try get some serious personal like some serious collab with some artists and everything. And see how that go with some other vloggers as well, like Drizzy work and them people as well too. Just kind of change up the one thing, you know, put it on a level and just enjoy the time frame where we have this thing for. Cause as me say, the pie big for everybody. Get a small slice, If you even big, but just a small slice. Mhm. Try get back some different artists as well to be forward and come do a vibe. You know, I try get some other people forward and come and do a shout out. Do some collab with some people and thing. Yeah. That's right, man. I try that. I try go live more frequently. As well. Yeah. See that now. I do live two-way. We need to start the live two-way. We need to do it on TikTok and we need to do it on we need to do it on TikTok and we need to do it on also YouTube. You know what I mean? Yeah. Look at the pre right now. You can see that thing go. Because at the end of the day, it's fun and games until you know you wanna take off on a level. So that we really aim for. Kind of set certain things and do certain things, make it can actually just live a life where you can provide for your family on a level. So that's a pretty right now. But for those who just are forwarding, welcome again. Um, we have basically 1 hour before we end the stream. We have 1 hour before we end the stream, and we are trying getting as much personnel to interact and for actually continue with um, ask some questions that we don't want to know based off of the two live stream them we did yesterday, Island Gully Falls, and we did Cayman as mineral bar today. So questions we there to answer all of them, and we just there for just will have vibe with everybody, and so everybody can get to know the face behind the entire thing. And it's not just me; we have females that is a part of Jamaican adventure as well. You know that soon and very soon I'm gonna have some of them up on the live stream with me. Uh, it's vibe, so they can ask questions them as well. So most of my subs them are basically are males. Very few females we have, but we are working on that as well too. Yeah. So we see the best we can knock anything out of the park from early, and we just relax, chill, and we can't even go live. You can't even go live. Yeah. So any question, guys? Question? Give me a second there. Welcome back. Welcome back. Uh-huh. It's been a while. All right. Yeah. Question. Bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go and lie down. Mm. Look, man, the one guy in bed star. No. No more, no. Because, all right. No. Because what happens is this, more and more in my life, like some go certain places and them are playing music with copyright. If you're in a problem with that as well. You know what I mean? So like today now when we end up bro, we go mineral. Because whenever there's somebody out going, when I go up a Caymanes golf club, go, get the scenery and the landscape and thing. But never work out. Anyway, so we just go over this and just go car at the close and the next thing tomorrow go look at gas go somewhere else go back. We realize it them not really when we look upon something it can say it is monetized. So me I say, alright then if it monetized that means so we can actually then do places I guess long as it is recorded live, you know I have a problem with that because in a real time. That in a real time, isn't it? So I guess if me probably play some music, if you don't make a place look so dead or so, you know, going affect, you know, just to say, you know, affect the monetization aspect of the whole thing, isn't it? You see, you end up see the trailer for the Spider-Man.
Yeah, this is good TikTok. I can't remember.
Let me see the body.
Yeah, it looks good in the ball and everyone shot too. Artists like that's the ones that come out of town, you know.
Hulk comeback.
Because I remember in the last thing, everybody forget that he must Spider-Man or whatever. And he got to cross, since something happened to him, I'm gonna get mutated into actual spider. So he go to Dr. Banner now to try and see if he, can, fix it because, since he know about radiation or something, he want to know like how we can stop it. Yeah. But none of the villain now we're going to deal with right now. Whoever we're going to deal with right now, know that's Dr. Banner and Hulk. So he must like, I remember Hulk men free to come out, because I remember Thanos and whatever, come out like that. So you get over control now, or something the villain do to him, you get over control. Something like that. But we'll see how it comes.
Yeah, it'll be crazy.
Yeah.
2 hours. So 1 hour and 52 minutes. We're not got 2 hours, me end my life. And then we can on in again and do it tomorrow evening again.
We just get views after it.
Yeah.
Like
I just have to have like the right type of topics. I'm not even the right type of topics because you see if you don't do it so frequently, because we're not going live so frequently, the people that not really know. Say yo, you're the live,
The biggest one, we are talking about
Speed.
we're that
Yeah, they got 3,000.
2005.
Yeah. But as you said, everything is based off being consistent.
Yeah, all consistent.
Yeah. Once we be more consistent with the stream them, live stream like that, people are gonna interact more and things. So we just go and get them in the mood, I guess.
Launching your business. You already looked up how to start your LLC. You even found Gula and checked. Searching for something to feel. I disrespected the girl. I wasn't trying to hurt you, girl. Though this is just what I've done. Choosing your eyes over virtue. I don't know what to call. And it's so heavy, heavy. Until you find the spirit of myself. Food to the guilt, all of the guilt, so heavy, heavy. Yeah, you got to know what to do. Life is a long journey.
Yo.
Is it in you?
Hi, I'm an AI. I can trade for you.
How?
I find the crate. I show you what and why. You say yes or no. I do the rest.
What do I need to start?
$20 in your account. That's
But it's streamers fight for 100. It's a 8 streamer. It's a 2 and 5 days ago. Connect up. Ask a question. Ask out a question then. When I'm moving on the bush, when images, I wink each other like this. When it's stages, I must keep to the wedges, the body and stages. If it's a real man, I'm the one, slap them in the cages. Pages, the book of life pages. Babylon wants me and chill. Every single crystal thing, yeah. Jesus. Ask any question, man. Ask any question, and we answer them. Alright guys, now jump off. Talk to you in the morning. Watch it again in the morning and the evening. Yeah? I show speed say green apples when I get any live stream. What we say? What we say? What we gonna say in our live stream?
Green banana.
Well, it's a green banana. Alright, let me find something we love. Jackfruit.